Here is a beginner-friendly guide on how to earn money online in 2025 using AI tools for side hustle. The main strategy for a beginner is not to build the AI itself, but to use powerful, easy to use AI tools as an assistant to create high quality product and service for clients faster than ever before. Are the most popular and beginner friendly methods, the tools to use and step by step plan to get started. The fourth Assist AI side hustle for beginners in 2025. One number AI powered content creation and writing. This is the most in demand skill. Business bloggers and marketers always need new article, social media posts and emails. What you do? Offer service like AI assisted blog post writing, social media caption generation, or SEO optimized article writing. How AI helps? You use AI to generate the first draft, brainstorm idea, or outline an article in seconds. Your job is to edit, fact check, and add a human touch to make the content sound natural and fit the client's brand. Popular tool ChatGPT, best for beginners, best for brainstorming, drafting, and generate purpose writing. Jasper AI or Copy AI is specifically trained for marketing copy and headlines and blog post. Where to sell? On freelance platform like Upstock, Upwork, and Fiverr. AI generated art and graphic design. You no longer need years of art school to create stunning visuals. That what you do, sell custom digital art created longs for new business destined to shift for printing on demand or make graphic for social media. How AI help? You type a text description and prompt and the AI generated a unique image. The skill is in prompt engineering, learning how to write prompt that get the extract image you want. Popular tool Mind Journey, widely considered the best for high quality articles and detailed image. Canva AI, built directly into Canva, perfect for creating social media post, presentation, and logo quickly. Adobe friendly, great for commercial use as it is trained on openly licensed image. Where to sell? It's sell your AI art as digital download on products. Printify, Redbubble. Upload your design to t-shirt, mugs, and poster. They handle printing and shipping when someone buy. Fiverr. Offer AI logo design on custom AI art as a gig. Freelances, YouTube channel, and AI voiceover. This is an extremely popular side hustle. You can create interior video without ever shooting your face or using your own voice. That what you do. Create informative YouTube channel in niche like history, physiology, or top 10 list. You can also sell your AI voice over service to other video creators. How AI helps? First, script use ChatGPT to write the video script. Voice use 11 Lab or Mopt AI to turn the script into a realistic human sound voice over. Video use Pictory or in video tools that automatically create a video with stock footage, text, and music just by pasting your in your script. Where to sell? YouTube monetize your channel with ads. AdSense once you meet the requirements of stock, Upwork, Fiverr, sell AI voiceover or freelances video creation services. AI powered digital product. This is a create on sell overall modern. What? You do create and sell digital product that people can download instantly. How AI help? Use AI to generate the core content for your product. Example: children storybook. Use ChatGPT to write a simple story and Mind Journey to create the illustration format into a PDF and sell in Amazon KDP. Example 2. Digital planners. Template. Use Canva AI to help design planner template, social media template, or resume template. Fourth step, beginners to first sell plan. Step 1. Pick your niche tool. Don't try to do everything. Choose one service from the list above. For example, I will be an AI logo design. Then commit a mastering on tool. Step 2. Practice and build a portfolio. Before you can charge money, you need proof you can do the work. Spend a weekend creating five high quality example. If you choose logo design, create five fictional logo for different industry. If you choose blog, write three sample article on topic you enjoy. Step 3. Create your shop on Fiverr of work. Fiverr is then the most beginner friendly create gig your service listing. Title: Be specific. I will design a unique generated logo your business. Image portfolio. Use then 3 5 example you are just created as your gig gallery. This is the most important part. Price. Set your price low for the first one to client to get good review. You can raise it later. Step 4. Dri- Delivering high quality work. The human touch. When you get your first order, remember the clients is not flying you to just type on sentence into an AI. They are playing for your service. Communicate. Ask them question about that then want. Create generated 10 20 AI prompt but only show the best 3 to 5 to the client. Edit. Clean up the AI work. It is a logo. Make sure the text is perfect. It is an article. Make sure it is fact check and sound human. The key to success is pairing the speed of AI with your human creativity, editing, and customer service. Good luck.